Greetings and welcome back again to the news channel, the People's Channel. Police corporal arrested in multi-million-dollar cooking oil robbery. Stay tuned for the full report. Blessings to all subscribers and viewers. If you're here for the first time, you can support the channel by like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. 2 men, including a police corporal, are now in custody as top-level investigation into the theft of cooking oil from a motor truck owned by a local distributor in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, yesterday. The Spanish Town police say about 9 o'clock yesterday morning, 2 men, one of them wearing a police vest, signaled the driver of the motor truck to stop as he made his way to the Spanish Town bypass. The driver complied and was instructed to get into an underfit motor car, while his 2 assistants were driven away in the motor truck by 2 other robbers. The motor truck was subsequently found abandoned in Old Harbor area after its contents were unloaded. The 2 assistants were unarmed as well as the driver of the motor truck. He was reportedly let out of the under motor car in the town center of Spanish Town. During a subsequent operation, the police intercepted a black underfit motor car fitting the description of the one involved in the robbery along the Church Pen Main Road in St. Catherine with 2 men aboard. The men were subsequently pointed out as 2 of the robbers. A Browning 9mm pistol, 28 9mm rounds of ammunition, and a police vest were seized from the motor car. As investigation continues, detectives have confirmed that one of the men arrested is a police corporal. Let me read that again, people. As investigations continue, detectives have confirmed that one of the men arrested is a police corporal. Additional details are being withheld at this time. The hunt for the other robbers as well as the whereabouts of the stolen products continues. So here you have it, people. Policeman now arrested in multi-million-dollar cooking oil robbery. Now, people, earlier on this year, the people them have a vote and them say 93% of the population, the citizens of Jamaica, have no confidence in the Jamaica Constabulary force. And this is the reason why, people. You know what I'm saying? Because police are involved in too much criminal activities. You know what I'm saying, people? Oh, can a police corporal who has served the people of Jamaica involved in a multi-million-dollar cooking oil robbery? And on top of that, he might use the police uniform to carry out him robbery. Please leave your comments down below and tell me what you think. One aim, one God, one destiny. Walk good, talk good, live good. Blessings.